Everyone, welcome back. We saw for the value of x given this exponential equation, we have 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 30. So what is the value of x? Solution. So we have 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 30. Okay. Remember, given the indices identity that state that a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n plus m. Okay, so we apply this identity so that we'll have 3 raised to power x plus x plus x. This is equal to 30. Okay, so we'll have 3 raised to power, this is x plus x plus x, which is equal to 3x. This is equal to 30. Okay, now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we'll have log 3 raised to power 3x. This is equal to 30. Okay, this is equal to log 30. So we have log 3 raised to power 3x. This is equal to log 30. Okay, now we have two logarithm identity. The first one is if you apply this log a, that is log a raised to power m, can be expressed as m log a. And the second property, if you have log a multiplied by b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. We apply these two identities. Okay, so that we'll have, if you apply the first identity, we're going to have 3x log 3. This is equal to log 30 can be expressed as 10 multiplying by 3. If you say 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So we have our a is 10, our b is 3. So we apply this identity so that we're going to have 3x log 3. This is equal to log 10 plus log 3. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 3, divide log 3, log 3. Okay, so we have 3x is equal to log 10 divided by log 3. Okay, plus if you simplify, you'll have 1 here. Okay, so applying the identity that if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a to base b. Okay, so we are going to apply also this property so that we'll have 3x is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 3. Then divide by 3 both sides so that the value of x is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 3, divide everything by 3. So this is the value of x. Okay, so let's verify if this is true. Let's verify that x is equal to, that the value of x is correct. Okay, remember we add, if you recall, we add 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x multiplying by 3 raised to power x. This should give us the value of 30. Okay, so this is the same as saying 3 raised to power, this is x plus x plus x, this is equal to 30. Okay, this is the same as 3 raised to power 3x, this is equal to 30. Okay, so we just substitute the value of x. Okay, as for us, we have 3 raised to power 3 into the bracket, we have x is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 3 divided by 3. Okay, this is should give us 30. So this is 3, you simplify, 3 and 3 simplifies, so that we'll have 3 raised to power 1 plus log 10 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. Okay, now applying the logarithm identity again, if you have b raised to power log a to base b, this is equal to a. Okay, so in our case here, this is the logarithm identity that we need to apply. So if you do that, you will have 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 10 to base 3, and remember this is 3 raised to power log 10 to base 3, which is definitely equal to 10. Okay, so we substitute the value of 10 in our case here. So we substitute the value of, that is 10, so that we'll have 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 10 should give us a value of 30. And it's true, 3 times 10, this is equal to 30, which is equal to 30. And it's true that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So that satisfies that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 3 divided by 3 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.